Model, 68-plate Vauxhall Movano 2.3CDTi 136 bhp L4H3 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive 3.5t Luton low-loader box van. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 158,973. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3130 PS CDTI E6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Steering is heavy, it will need power steering pump replacing check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp